keto oatmeal. If you're tired of having eggs and bacon for breakfast every day on keto, I have the perfect option for another breakfast idea. So, without further ado, let's jump into the ingredients. For today's recipe, we're gonna need 3/4 cups of hot water, 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, a splash of sugar-free maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of flax, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a 1/4 cup of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of erythritol, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of cinnamon, 1/4 cup of hemp seeds, 1/4 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut, and a splash of heavy whipping cream. So this is super easy, guys. We're gonna dump all our ingredients in a pot, and afterwards we're gonna cook it for a few minutes. So let's put all the ingredients in our pot. So we're gonna start by pouring our hot water into the pot and our almond milk, and we mix it. Once it's all mixed together, we're gonna add our vanilla and we're gonna mix again. Once we have these ingredients mixed together, we're gonna add all of our dry ingredients: almond flour, hemp seeds, shredded coconut, flax, chia seeds, erythritol, and pinch of cinnamon. Once we have all our ingredients in our pot, we're gonna bring it to the stove and stir it on medium heat until this thickens up. Mix all your ingredients till they're all combined. At this point, it will look really liquidy, but don't worry about it. Just keep stirring until it looks thick. The chia will activate as well as the flax, and it will make it thicker as well. Our mixture is boiling now, and from this point on, you just have to stir it constantly so it doesn't stick to our pan. As you can see, our oatmeal looks pretty thick right now, so this will be the time to add your splash of whipping cream and maple syrup. And the maple syrup is just to taste, so start with a splash, try it out, and if you want to add some more, you can do so. And now mix everything together and let it boil for another couple minutes till it reaches the thickness that we want. The oatmeal have reached the consistency that I wanted to have, so now I'm gonna let it cool for a few minutes and we'll try it out. So my oatmeal has cooled down and I transfer it to a bowl, and just as with regular oatmeal, you can top it out with any sort of toppings that you like. So this is completely optional. I'm gonna top it out with some sugar-free peanut butter and a little bit of berries. Tablespoon of peanut butter and some berries. Let's try it out. I'm gonna grab a little bit of everything, so berries, peanut butter, and oatmeal. It's really good, guys. It's super good, and it's a nice idea for a breakfast, and it is great because you can add all the toppings that you want on top of that. It's an easy meal to make in the morning, and we have all the superfoods from the hemp seeds, the almond flour, and it's just delicious. So there you have it, guys, keto oatmeal. I hope you guys liked the recipe and the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell notification button, and leave me a comment down below. If you want to follow me on my journey, I will also be linking my social media. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video.